So you'll notice throughout this video, I don't make any mention of the fact that we hit 5,000 subscribers, but that's because this video was recorded before that happened. So you put 2 and 2 together, that's right. We hit 5,000 subscribers. That's absolutely crazy. It's insane. It's humbling. Thank you. Seriously, I cannot stop thanking you, and I probably won't ever. The mere fact that 5,000 people clicked on a button that said subscribe on a YouTube channel that involves me is just absolutely bonkers, and I cannot thank you enough. It's time for the SBMITCH 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and it starts right now. Actually, it started when this video was up anyway. But you can go down below into the video description. You'll find a Gleam.io link. That is the giveaway. And there are 3 prizes. Second runner-up gets this Supreme Bouncy Ball, plus some other goodies and doodads. First runner-up gets this here, Supreme the Killer box logo sticker and some other goodies and doodads. And the grand prize for the SBMITCH 5,000 subscriber giveaway is, that's right, it's a staple of this channel. We will be sending you a Sole Supremacy beater box worth about 300 bucks, something like that. The only stipulation is you have to be located in the US. If you're from outside of the United States and you win, we'll figure something out. But the grand prize is a $300-ish Sole Supremacy beater box shipped directly to you from Sole Supremacy. All I gotta do is go down below into the video description and find the Gleam.io link to enter the giveaway. The giveaway ends this Sunday at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Good luck to you. Thank you for the support, and enjoy this beater box video because it's a good one. It's, oof, yeah, it's a good one. Not how a normal person waves. Then again, what about me is normal? Absolutely nothing. You're exactly correct. You win a prize. Just kidding, I don't have any prizes for you. Your actual prize is getting to see me ramble about shoes and open up a dumb box. Lucky you. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I'm your host, good ol' SBMITCH. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at this handle that pops up on the screen right now. And I also have a website where you can find any of the things I pull out of this box right here and other things from other boxes. If that makes sense. The website is called Ransom Note Sneakers, and I lost my train of thought because that's kind of what happens on this channel. What's going on this channel today? I'll tell you right now, because why would you be watching this if you didn't know already? This is a beater box. What's a beater box? It's pretty much a big box of shoes in various sizes and conditions that I get from a sneaker shop out in the Bay Area of California called Sole Supremacy. It's a membership-only program. I pay monthly to be a part of it. Memberships right now are closed. Don't know if they're opening any up. My advice to you is to follow them on Twitter, turn on post notifications, and that's probably the only way you're gonna have a chance to get a membership because they're extremely limited, and I think they only open them up when someone else cancels. But this box right here, this is a big ticket box. Like, I don't like getting these boxes, but I did it. This box was $1,625 plus the $40 to ship it here to Philly for a grand total of $1,665 big ones, simoleons, ducats, dollars, whatever you want to call them. These boxes are risky. Like I said, I could probably make more money off of 3 boxes that equal this amount. But hey, you can find out with me towards the end of the video while my friend MC Hammer and I break it down to show you how much this box is worth versus how much I paid. But we gotta open it first to find out if it's worth it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. These boxes are usually like a bunch of underwhelming pairs and then one crazy money pair, so we'll see what happens. All right, we're open. Before we get started, let me introduce to you the real star of the channel besides Pancake. Good old Clarence, letting us know how much each shoe is worth. So there is one pair of loose shoes. It's okay too. It's actually a really recent release too, which is kind of surprising to see this in a beater box already. This is a size 8, which is a pretty good size. The Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. So you'll see on the inside of the flappy flap, it's got some stats, but you can see the tumble on the side panel. Like, that's good leather. That's some good leather. But this is an okay pair. They're laced up. I mean, there's not much wear on them. Like, you can see all the stars are still hanging out. Not much heel drag or anything weird like that. Size 8, Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year is the first shoe out of this $1,625 beater box. If you're interested in that pair of shoes or any other pair of shoes, they'll probably be available on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or you can contact me through the website and say, hey fella, I want to buy X shoes, and I'll be like, all right, that's cool. Next up, this is a very, very beat up box. It's a Nike Air Max 95 sneaker boot in a size 9.5. That's exactly what it is. These look to be very lightly worn, but it's like a triple black colorway. Now, I didn't know that, oh, they do have laces, but these are not laced. But there is a zipper right here on the front. Zip. First time using the zipper, apparently. So that's pretty cool. These are actually not too bad. It's a triple black Air Max 95 sneaker boot. Really good condition. I'm not a fan of the 95, but these are, I mean, these are set up for winter, so it's a good time to get these. Value-wise, probably not much there. The retail on these was 200 bucks. I can't imagine they're worth anything close to that, but there's your second shoe out, an Air Max 95 sneaker boot in a triple black colorway. So that's two. Let's keep going. Let's grab our first Jordan out of here. This is, I can already tell what this is. It's a size 13, Air Jordan 11 Retro, released a couple months ago. The box is a little beat up, but this looked like they've been tried on and worn once, but it's, as you can tell, good, this thing's huge. It's a size 13 pair of the CONCORD from 2018. Love this pair. My personal pair is hanging out over here off camera, but this comes with original all. I mean, it looks like these were worn once. You can see very little toe box creasing. The bottoms are like barely worn. I could clean those up and make them look new. But yeah, I mean, this is just a classic Jordan. It's the shoe he wore in his first game back after playing the baseball. Always a good market for these. Size 13 is an okay size to get as far as resale goes, but not great. But this is a good shoe. Can't complain about this. I'm not gonna say it would pass as dead stock either, because that is not a condition. Let's keep going. Here's a Jordan. It's a size 8.5 youth, Air Jordan 12 Retro GG, which means it's a gal shoe. This is a dead stock, yes, not worn, unworn pair of some kind of 12, what's the colorway saying here? Hyper Jade. Maybe they're called Jades or something like that. I don't really know. I think this is really low pile suede on the upper, and then the leather, obviously. I mean, this is a pretty slick pair. I can't imagine what it would match with if you're into the whole matching thing, but pretty okay shoe. It's in dead stock condition, so I can't imagine there's tons of value here, but the condition definitely helps the value a little bit. There's your fourth shoe out. Size 8.5 pair of Hyper Jade 12s. I'm gonna grab this Nike Sportswear box that looks like it's been through the washing machine. It's a size 8 Air Max 95 Dynamic FW, whatever that means. Yep, this is a replacement box. This is a penny posit, I think. Looks like it's a crimson type colorway. These are size 8.5. So it's a replacement box, completely replacement box. These are okay. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Don't really know much about these, don't have much to say. It's a bright red shoe. It says "Living Large" on the little tag thing on the back, which is pretty cool. So there's that, size 8.5, like a penny posit or some kind of something or other. The more I talk about it, the more I realize I have no idea what I'm talking about. So 3 more in here. Hey, it's a New Balance, size 7.5. Usually with pairs like this, they end up being dead stock, so that is the case with these. I don't know what these are called. It looks like real nappy suede on here, but this is actually a pretty slick colorway. Yeah, these are really, really, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of brown, but I definitely like this green and this salmon color going on here. I don't know what model of New Balance this is. Oh, it's a 999. It says right there, 999. Flip it upside down and it's the mark of the devil. But this is, an okay shoe. It's in new condition, so that'll help a little bit. It says Packer. Oh, it's a Packer Shoes collaboration, so that helps a little bit. So that's another shoe out. This is a Packer Shoes New Balance 999 in a cool colorway in a size 7.5. I promise I actually know about shoes. This is a size 4.5 youth Jordan 12 Retro BG. This is some kind of black colorway. These aren't masters, are they? I don't know. Usually kids' shoes are different than the general release shoes. So yeah, size 4.5 youth. Kind of a hard size to sell from my experiences. I don't really know about everybody else, but I usually have to go the eBay route for these kind of sizes. These are worn a little bit. You can see a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Mostly leather upper. This is suede right here, I think. Nah, that's like nubuck or something like that. Don't really know much about these. Can't imagine there's much value because a lot of kids' shoes don't really have good value. So here's your second to last shoe out, a Jordan 12 black colorway thing in a size 4.5 youth. I don't know what kind of box this is. It's a Foot District box, if that means anything. Okay, yeah. Remember when I said it's usually like crazy money shoe? Yeah, this is definitely a crazy money shoe. Woo. According to the box, it's a size 11. You like what I'm doing here? I'm holding off. It's like clickbait, but in real life. Just kidding, here's the shoe. It's a pair of Air YEEZY Solars. They're pre-owned. The bottoms are in pretty good shape. I don't see any paint cracking on the midsole, which is good. Kind of pretty rare for this shoe. But the weird thing about this shoe, which I guess this is pretty common, don't quote me on it, there's no style ID tags on the inside. as you can tell. That's pretty common where they come off with wear. According to this, it's a size 11, which is my size. Will I wear these? Probably not. These go for like $4 grand still. Now, I need to take into account the condition, but other than that, these are in really, really good shape. They just need a pretty solid cleanup. So that's the money shoe. That's why this box was $1,625. And this is actually pretty awesome. I'm not angry about this. So there's your money shoe. There's the last shoe out. It's an Air Yeezy Solar in a size 11. No box, no style ID tag. This might be going to consignment, or it might end up on the website. It's definitely the reason this box is so expensive. Cool. Feeling okay about this box after that last shoe, if you couldn't tell by my excitement. We still got to give it a grade, so let's do that. Okay, we're gonna give this box a letter grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. So let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 shoes in this $1,625 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 2 of them are dead stock. That's actually not too bad for a box at this price point. So condition on this box, we'll say B-. Sizes, so, yeah, we have a 8, 9.5, 13, 4.5 youth, 8.5, 11, 8.5 youth, and 7.5. Sizes are actually pretty good on this box, so sizes, we'll say about a B+. Hype/value. I mean, this is probably the most obvious hype/value in a beater box ever. Do I even really need to say anything? Hype/value on this box, A+. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of B+, is that what I said? Sure, we'll say that. B+ for sizes, and the grade of A+ for hype/value for obvious reasons. This $1,625 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of A.
Wow.
So I went ahead and gave this box a grade of A. How much money are we really gonna make on it? Don't answer that question, because MC Hammer is gonna answer that question for you right now!
Break it down!
I don't actually know MC Hammer. This box is good. Thanks for taking the time to watch. These shoes will probably be available on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, today, Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, along with a whole bunch of other things that you can check out if you want. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Go down below, comment, say hello, say whatever you want. Give me a good recipe for like a potato salad or something, and I will have more content for you eventually, because I don't really have much else going on. So till then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy, and it's good to be happy from what I hear. Bye. Oh wait, sorry. Bye.